Welcome to this installation video for the Peak Stair Riser. In this video, you will learn how to successfully install stairs to your deck using Peak Stair Risers. Let's look at the tools and safety equipment needed to successfully install your Peak Stair Risers. Now let's get started. Begin by determining the location of all stair risers, ensuring the top tread support is 9 inches down from the deck surface. The Peak Stair Risers rigid design requires only 2 risers for stairs up to 48 inches wide. Now, mark the position of the holes to be drilled while the Peak Stair Riser is in position. Drill 9 32nd-inch pilot holes at the fastener locations. Then attach the riser to the deck using a minimum 3/8" by 3.5" lag bolt. For concrete surfaces, drill a 3/8" pilot hole and use a 3/8" by 2.5" wedge anchor. Once the riser has been secured, you can now begin to add the stair treads. Measure and mark tread boards for the placement of holes to be drilled. Then drill 9 32nd-inch holes through the board to allow for a 1/4" carriage bolt to easily slide through. Start installing treads halfway up the riser using 1/4" by 2" carriage bolts, nuts, and washers. The remaining treads are installed in the same way. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your Peak Stair Risers.